Now, poorly managed crypto transactions could mean overpaying your taxes, facing this complex mess that could take you days to untangle. And without diligent tracking and or management, you also risk just the peace of mind, the loss of sleep, the sleepless nights, and possibly not being in good standing with the CRA. So what's the first thing you can do? So let's tackle the first one, and the one that's kind of the biggest headache for most crypto investors, because let's be honest, doing accurate record keeping, that's not fun. What you're doing there in the DeFi space and growing your crypto wealth, that's the fun part. This is kind of the dry administrative part, but it has to be done. So maintaining precise records really is the secret to being able to have a really stress-free tax season. And you can actually automate a lot of this with accounting software like Koinly, Crypto Tax Calculator, or even CoinLedger. And it can help you to essentially automate many of the transactions that you may have. Now, there's one little disclaimer that I've kind of mentioned about this, and that those three that I mentioned, which are the biggest ones that most of my clients do use, Koinly, Crypto Tax Calculator, and CoinLedger, is they generally do tend to service the bigger markets. So we're talking United States, UK, and the EU, which means that some of the exchanges that we use only in Canada often aren't really supported, and therefore you'll have to do essentially manual data dump, and then a manual upload and manual reconciliation, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of the software. And so one of the big ones, for example, is ShakePay, which is only in Canada, and it's not supported, for example, by Koinly. So one of my clients who happens to be on ShakePay finds it just a huge waste of time, because we're going to do all that manual work anyways. Why are we going to spend that time to try and use a piece of software that really isn't automating anything? That being said, many of my clients have found that at least much of what you trade, if it's on sort of larger exchanges, if you're on centralized exchanges and you're doing a lot of trading, even NFTs, it can work to at least get 80% done. But if you are the more adventurous investor who are on off-chains, decentralized exchanges, or using a lot of alt tokens, altcoins, you're going to find that probably those software are probably not going to support you as well, especially if you're Canadian. You might find that much of it isn't supported. And I just wanted to let you know that so many of my clients have had this problem, because I do tend to help the more adventurous, that I have actually come up with a solution. So if you would like some support with that, and you're finding that you have tried Koinly, Crypto Tax Calculator, and many other crypto accounting software, and it's not working for you, let me know in the comments, and we can definitely have a chat about that. For those who are using it, I would actually like to hear, so what is your go-to crypto accounting software that you find working for you? What parts of it aren't working for you? There are probably areas that aren't. Share in the comments. I would love to know more about it.